Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how you can clone your own voice using AI, and we'll be using a tool called ElevenLabs. I've tried quite a few voice cloning tools, and honestly, ElevenLabs offers the best value and output among them. Voice cloning can be really useful, especially if you want to scale up content creation, like for YouTube videos, podcasts, or ads, while still keeping your own voice. To get started, head over to the ElevenLabs dashboard and either click on Voices or Clone Your Own Voice. You'll need a short recording of your voice. You can record it on your phone and upload it to your computer. Depending on your ElevenLabs plan, there are different levels of voice cloning available. The instant voice clone works well for most users, while higher tier plans offer a more professional and refined output. Once you upload your audio, you can remove background noise and even add multiple recordings to improve accuracy. The AI will then analyze your voice and create a clone. After cloning, you can preview your voice to hear how accurate it is. It might sound slightly different to you, but for most listeners, it's very close to your real voice. You can save this clone and use it for future projects, generating speech for videos, podcasts, or advertisements. With more uploaded recordings, the AI can fine-tune the voice even further. This makes ElevenLabs a powerful tool for anyone who wants to automate voiceovers while keeping their personal voice intact. It's a great way to scale content efficiently without losing authenticity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.